Hey everybody, I'm Rob,
And I'm Lori Marie Jenkins.
and we're both artists who have
Moved to Costa Rica with our Chihuahua.
Yay, Hudson.
People have asked to see him. Sometimes I can get him in here for a cameo. He gets kind of
Squirmy?
fancy pants. There we
A
go.
little squirmy? Okay.
So, ta-da!
There he is.
We got Hudson.
Happy and healthy.
Yep. So good morning. Coffee in hand here in Costa Rica.
Cheers.
Da, 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 da.
So we are down on the other part of our upper property. So you guys get another little view.
Of our backyard.
Valley's
Really.
back there. It's awesome.
Yeah, so the casita is here, the carport, and then the house, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then down below is where the house will be. We are doing this early this morning.
Early, yep, once again.
Why?
Beat the cicadas.
So we'll beat the cicadas, but we won't beat the traffic. So
Right, yeah.
we'll do our best around that. We are right on the road here.
So be it.
So be it. We are okay.
Pura
with
vida.
that. Pura vida, for sure.
So yeah, we had a very good week. And had a lot of fun things going on, but first thing we kind of wanted to talk about is the casa. And so as most of you who've been following know, we're living up here in this casita that we remodeled. But this is just part of our property. Down below we have a plantel, an area ready to build a house with an amazing view of the valley below.
Yes, most of you have seen the view, and it is literally breathtaking.
Right.
It makes me go, yeah, it is gorgeous. So we spent, as you know, 2 weeks ago, I guess, in Puerto Vallarta,
She's so good with names. Puerto Jimenez.
Puerto Jimenez. Thank you. And Rob and I were really talking.
Yeah,
Some
yeah.
Crunching of numbers and crunching of time
Uh-huh.
and crunching of plans. And so it was a very good getaway weekend, and it's given us lots to think about.
Right.
So, go ahead.
So basically what we have decided to do for now is to put the building of the house on hold
On hold.
for about a year.
Mm-hmm.
And there's many reasons for that, all of them good. The main reason is everything seemed to be moving very quickly. And it makes it hard to do proper decisions when they have to be made on the spot.
Mm-hmm.
And so the drawings that I'm doing for the house, the design, which we're constantly changing, all of these things were just happening too fast to try to break ground in February. And so we decided to just scrap that whole timeline.
Which I'm very comfortable with.
And so it's good for so many reasons. Right now we're in the dry season. And the dry season is a great time to build, one of the best. It's kind of December to April, right? So that's a good window to do foundations and everything up to getting your roof built. And so if we were to start in February, that only gives a couple of months before the rains will probably start.
Right.
And so just with the planning, the blueprints, everything that needs done, trying to get a new water meter, blah, 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 waiting a year is just super smart for us.
Right, and it's a must at this point. I mean, I was holding my breath, and now that we've talked about it and stuff like that, and the pressure's off, it's like, okay, now we can relax and we can enjoy our time in Costa Rica. And it's not like we have a house that we don't love, because we have a house we love.
Yeah, the casita's fantastic.
And it's given us a chance to draw some plans and change the plans and draw some plans and change some plans
and have days in our studio, have days going out and playing, just kicking back with a good book, relaxing and living our Costa Rican life.
Yeah, so that's very nice.
Yeah.
So thank you all for the support around that. I'm sure you all understand.
Yeah.
We're pushing the pause button.
Exactly. Good word for it. Good word for it. So things are still moving ahead. I've got a little more time to do my designing and talk with an architect. So ideally we'll be able to start construction next December, which gives us 2 more months of the dry season. And the other benefit is there's a lot of fill dirt down below from where the plantel was actually carved out of the hillside. And so another year of that settling, compacting, drying, being a good solid foundation. fantastic.
Yep, even better.
Yep.
So we have enjoyed our week since
Yeah.
the pressure of building the house is on pause. So let's see. Saturday. Did we do anything Saturday?
Saturday was Ed's.
Oh yeah. So Saturday we went and took a workshop
Yeah, kind of a design workshop.
for the house
Mhm.
and how to have a home in Costa Rica that has good airflow and very little mold and things like that.
Very little energy requirements.
Right. It was wonderful.
Yeah, we learned a lot. Fantastic stuff.
Yeah. And so taking this little break before building the casa and taking a workshop on things like that, very helpful.
Yeah, so our good friend Edmund Alcalasi, if you guys are interested in his workshops, we could send you info. Got a wealth of experience out here in Costa Rica, living in houses, building houses, things like that. So.
And his home is beautiful.
Yeah.
And breezy.
Yeah.
And fresh.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's so much to think about: where the sun is in the morning, where the sun is in the evening, airflow, ventilation. So we learned a lot.
Yeah,
It
we did.
was really good for our replanning here.
And there's little clips on that. I have a few little clips on that. This house. So
Toucan.
yay, two toucans. The first one is already on the tree. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love this place. It's amazing.
Yeah, you'll see me look up and it means there's a flock of birds or something flying over. It's just beautiful.
Oh, yeah, every day.
The sky is blue today.
Every day.
Yeah. All right, that was Saturday.
Sunday was Fuego.
Oh, we went to the, Rob had shown a couple of videos of Fuego in the past. He went there while I was in a Spanish class. And we were invited by a couple of friends to join a couple of other friends there for a brunch. So we got to walk around the property. So I have some videos of that. Amazing!
Yeah, beautiful property. Great art and light fixtures and tables. Super cool place.
Yeah, super cool. So
Yeah.
you'll enjoy the videos on that.
It's a coffee roastery as well as a pretty fancy brew pub for beer, but good food as well. So
He's chasing us.
Hudson's chasing lizards.
Yeah.
So that was Monday. I got the translation for my driver's license from English to Spanish, and I now have my appointments for the COSEBI or Costa Rican DMV. So 22nd
Yeah,
of
that has worked out.
Yeah, 22nd of February. I should be able to go to COSEBI. Got all my paperwork together. I should have a Costa Rican driver's license in March.
Right.
Yay.
Yay.
Yep.
Tuesday, I had Spanish class. You ran errands. Wednesday.
Wednesday, chocolate tour.
Oh.
Right.
Oh, we have some videos of that too.
Oh my gosh, it
Oh
was
my goodness.
one of the best tours. It was
Ronald.
so fun.
Ronald in Uvita has
Playa Hermosa.
Oh, that's true. Playa
Yeah.
Hermosa has a cacao tour.
Yeah, Cacao Farm.
Cacao farm.
Right.
We saw the small farm. He has a larger farm.
Right.
And we have some videos of that. He took us all the way through from seeing it in the pod to eating a fresh bean.
From growing it from clones.
Oh yeah, that was
Yeah.
interesting.
You know, it was great.
It was
Sorry to
grafting
interrupt.
it. No, that's good. Grafting the trees
Uh-huh.
and so that you are controlling your crop a little bit better.
Yeah. They're all
And-
grown from clones, not from seeds.
Yep.
So you know exactly what tree you're getting, what
Another
genetics
toucan.
you're getting. It's a toucan morning here.
It is.
Love it.
It's a 2 cup of coffee toucan morning. Yay.
That's actually 3 cans now.
Oh, that's right. I don't
So
know what to say about that.
So the chocolate tour was fantastic.
Yeah, highly recommended if you're
yep.
in the area and you're interested in information about that.
Yeah.
We can give that to you.
Yeah, it was a recommendation from a friend, and we would recommend it to anybody down here.
And like Rob said, it's from clone to a cup of hot chocolate.
Right. Oh God.
Wow.
Great hot chocolate.
Yeah, amazing. And we have a chocolate mask. We made you that for you.
Oh, chocolate mask.
Chocolate
yeah.
mask.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh,
there's-
I did want to say Rob's doing quite a bit in his studio with
Oh, yeah.
furniture building and stuff. So, and I know you still want to see the inside of the casita. We're almost there. He has
Right.
one piece of furniture that he's finishing, and then once that's in place, we'll take a video of the inside of the casita. But
Yeah,
he's been
it's-
having fun.
Uh-huh.
I've been having fun.
And it's kind of funny because now that I have a little studio to work in, and I have my tools here and stuff, we were really busy doing things this week, and I kept itching to get in the studio, but it's like every day we had a little something planned leaving the house, and I'm like, oh, yesterday I got hours of woodworking done,
Yep.
so yay.
Yay, indeed.
Pretty amazing, pretty amazing.
All
But
right.
thank you.
Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for all of the subscriptions and just coming along with us.
Yeah, the comments.
Yeah, we love the comments and try to answer all of them. So give us thumbs up.
Can you hear the toucan?
That's toucan. We've seen 3 or 4 of them already this morning.
Yep.
Yeah, amazing.
A beautiful day.
But yeah, keep watching. We've got some great bonus videos at the end here.
If that doesn't make you want to come to Costa Rica, I don't know what will. All right. See you next Saturday.
See you
Adios.
next Saturday. Ciao.
Our friend Edmund Alcalasi, and we are in Ojo Chao at his wonderful house, and we're getting a design workshop. So, anything you want to say about what you do?
Yeah, my main interest is in helping people design a house that is going to perform well, because this environment is very unique in terms of its heat and humidity and critters and mold. It's just unique. So there's a lot of things that go into designing a house that is going to be a pleasure to live in, not drive you crazy. And these are not all things that people are thinking about, when they're ready to build their house. So I want to make sure that people do think about them, and hopefully it'll have a happy ending.
Perfect. So, Roberto, did you learn anything?
Oh my gosh, yeah, a lot of great tips here, and we're going to take a lot of these ideas and put them towards our casita, wherever and whenever it'll happen. So,
I learned a lot too.
Yeah,
so.
great stuff.
Thanks, Edmund.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, man.
Great pleasure.
All right. Wait a minute. Wait for it. We're going to go see if we can find one because we just whacked one of them.
Try this one again.
Okay. We're going to put this against my leg. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Now that's the spores off the fern?
Those are the spores, yeah.
Oh, I love it. I may never wash my overalls again.
There you go.
All right, we are meeting friends at Fuego. Rob had taken some videos of Fuego before, and now we are actually eating here. Look at that keyhole door. Isn't that beautiful? So this is a container. They've added wood to the container. Very, very fun. You can buy your coffee drinks right in there.
You can do.
And here we are walking up.
Nice roaster.
You can hear Rob and Julia and Sean. Look at the size of this bamboo. Oh my goodness me. Talk about tropical. Look at the floor. Those are the roasters. How fun. And the coolest bathroom ever. Wow. So remember how I told you that bananas have one bunch and then they die? So this is a tree on the property and it has a bunch of bananas. These are called the ice cream bananas, not my favorite. And we did not harvest these, and they are black, and that tree is done. So Rob is going to come in with his machete. So the banana trees hold a lot of moisture. End of video. So we're taking a chocolate tour today, and Rob is talking to Ronald and learning lots of things. We're in this little hut getting ready for the tour.
Got our nice bridge out here for the cacao plantation.
Woo-hoo! I did not get the tree house.
And there, it's a tree house built from living trees. All the supports for the trees are still alive. They didn't cut them. They're still growing.
So amazing. That is amazing.
Okay. I'll get that for her, but I want to get one.
Sure, absolutely.
All right. Cocoa bean.
Cocoa bean.
Nice. Cocoa bean.
That's the inside of it.
Just a hint of dark chocolate flavor, but not much.
So it's set up so that the beans can dry on the top and in the bottom. And if you need to get back to the beans to work with them, that bottom one slides back. Brilliant. It's quite warm in here. Dry for drying the beans.
All right. We are roasting cacao beans.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Look at the pot.
The big old cauldron, wood fire.
Oh, that side, that side.
What we're doing is we're taking the husks off of the cacao beans.
Oh, here we go. Look at
They're all roasted, and so the husk is not the part we want. That's the part we want.
Ta-da!
Look at that, perfect. Yep.
Da-da-da-da.
And these are edible too. I'm eating one right now. So these are all the finished ones without the husk.
And somebody gave it to him. It sounded like
This is a metate, and it's an authentic stone grinding bowl. Emery looking like a pro.
All right.
wood smells good. Using the stone like that. Good, good. Now I change it. I don't do it at the beginning. I do it later. Yeah. Okay. Guys, now also, guys, if you get close, you see the nibs. Start smelling. More fragrant.
Of course, nibs.
It's grinding the chocolate nibs into powder, which he couldn't do without Lori Marie.
Absolutely. Now it's making a paste. You can see the cocoa butter oil is coming to the surface. Beautiful.
So that is just the cocoa beans, nothing added. There's the natural fats that are in there. All done hand grinding with that stone.
Mm-hmm.
Hot chocolate, no milk, no leche. It's all water. Lots of chocolate. What? Oh, you did?
Got one of the biggest bugs I've seen out here. Pretty cool. I don't want to get too close to him, but you can kind of see how big he is compared to my hand. Cute little guy.
All right, this is the grasshopper. We're gonna catch and release. He was in the house.
Look how big he is compared to my hand.
He's huge. Hi there, bud.
He startled the heck out of me.
You're on camera.
Look at that guy.
He's beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, go live happily.
Got some excitement going on at the casita here. We are finally getting our electric service changed. So, got the guys from the electric company here. They're taking the wires off the old pole, putting them on the new pole. Got a new electric service, new box. It's gonna look really nice and be all up to date and up to code.
Aren't we adorable?
So we got the chocolate facial scrub from our chocolate tour, and this is it.
This is it.
Massage it in, let it sit, exfoliate.
Lovely. And it smells so good.
Oh, it tastes good too.